How can you track U.S. military assets in the Iran war? 2026. How can you track U.S. military assets in the Iran war? With tensions escalating, knowing where U.S. forces are is crucial for understanding the conflict's next moves and your safety. The Atlantic Council reports that the tracking of U.S. military assets in the Iran conflict relies heavily on satellite imagery combined with open-source intelligence tools. This approach enables analysts and the public to monitor movements of aircraft carriers, drones, and other key assets in near real time. Companies specializing in geospatial intelligence play a critical role by processing large volumes of data to reveal patterns and deployments. This transparency marks a shift from past conflicts where information was more tightly controlled, allowing for greater public awareness of military postures. In the current Iran conflict, U.S. military assets such as aircraft carriers in the Persian Gulf, Air Force surveillance drones, and special operations units are closely monitored. These assets are vital for intelligence gathering, rapid response, and power projection. Tracking their locations helps predict potential escalations or de-escalations in the war. The Atlantic Council emphasizes that knowing the deployment and movement of these forces provides important clues about U.S. strategic intentions and readiness. As tensions with Iran escalate in 2026, tracking U.S. military assets becomes urgent. This information allows governments, analysts, and civilians to anticipate military moves and potential conflict zones. Real-time tracking supports diplomatic efforts by providing transparency and reducing misinformation. It also helps allies and partners prepare for any fallout. The Atlantic Council stresses that in fast-moving conflicts, timely knowledge of asset positions can save lives and shape international responses. While tracking U.S. military assets increases transparency, it also presents risks. Sensitive operations may be exposed to adversaries, potentially compromising missions. Additionally, misinformation can spread if tracking data is misinterpreted or manipulated. The Atlantic Council highlights the balance between public knowledge and operational security as a key challenge. Analysts must carefully verify data to avoid fueling unnecessary panic or false conclusions. Looking ahead, advances in AI and satellite technology promise to refine how U.S. military assets are tracked in conflicts like the Iran war. The Atlantic Council notes that improved algorithms can automate detection of asset movements, increasing speed and accuracy. This will likely make tracking more accessible to the public and governments alike, further shaping how conflicts are understood and managed globally. What this means for you is that staying informed about U.S. military asset movements in the Iran conflict could affect your understanding of global security risks and political developments. Real-time tracking tools give you a clearer picture of how tensions might escalate or ease, helping you navigate news and potential impacts more confidently. Subscribe to stay updated on this critical story and more.